Hi, it's Gabby. Welcome back to TaylorToned. Today I have for you a follow along 11-minute water bottle abs workout. We are going to get you those dream abdominals. Don't turn off just because you need a prop. You can grab a water bottle, you can grab a smaller water bottle, you can grab a can of something, a tin of beans, you can grab a champagne bottle, or alternatively, take no prop at all. You will still get a really good abdominal workout with no equipment. All of my videos are accessible for everybody. I'll be offering modifications throughout, and I'll also be offering advancements of the exercises. There's a timer at the top of the screen so you can see how far along you are in the workout and how long you have until the burn is over. Let's get straight into it. Grab your water bottle, grab your prop, and let's get into your abdominal workout. Bringing yourself down towards the floor, down to your mat, towel, whatever you have. I want you to bring both your forearms down towards the floor. You've got a number 11 with your hands. Your shoulders are over the top of their elbows. Now tuck the toes under and you're going to step back in towards a forearm plank. So we're going to wake up the abdominals, your core, before you move straight in towards anything on your back. So I just want you to stay here. Squeeze the navel in and up towards your spine. Now pull your inner thighs together and hold right here. Breathe in, breathe exhale. If you can't quite get here to a forearm plank, your modification is to drop the knees down to the floor, come onto the fleshy part of the knees, rock the hips forwards. Stay there or keep the knees lifted. Inhale in and exhale away. You want one gorgeous straight line, crown the head down to your heels, scoop that navel in. If you can feel it in your lower spine right now, you need to maybe lift the hips higher or tuck the tailbone under, squeeze your glutes together. I know you are burning already. Just give me another 15 more seconds here. Nice deep breath in. Whew, nice deep breath, exhale away. Hello abdominals. You have another 6 seconds here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lower yourself all the way down. Now sweep the feet round towards the front. If you're using your prop, you want to grab a hold of your water bottle, your can, whatever you've got, pop it into your hand. Now shoot it forwards, and I want you to tuck the tailbone under, push your lumbar spine down to the floor. So you've got a gorgeous C shape with your spine. The feet are just in line with your hips, and your eye line is forwards. The bottle is in line with your shoulders here. Shoulders are above the knees. Nice deep breath in. You've got it. Exhale away. So you're going to slowly lift all the way up and slowly drop all the way down. Now this is completely accessible without the bottle. So if you've not got the bottle as that added little challenge, just reach the hands up and lower the hands back down again. But if you're taking the challenge, lift all the way up. I know, exhale, push all the way down. Give me 4 more of these. Lift the hands up and lower back down again. You've got 3 more here to go. Squeeze all the way up and lower back down to the floor. You've got 2 more. Lift all the way up, whew, lower all the way back down. Now you're going to hug the bottle into the chest. If you've not got a bottle, clasp the fingertips together. Now hug that bottle. I want you to push your lumbar spine down to the floor, scoop out your abdominals. Inhale in and exhale away. Start to feel that burn through your abdominals. You're working the whole of your transverse abdominals, your rectus abdominals, and your obliques are working right now, so hold on to it. Inhale in, exhale away. Give me 10 seconds here. 9, go 8, you've got it. 7, 6, go 5, go 4, coming up in 3, 2, 1. Well done, lift yourself all the way up. Slowly lower yourself down towards the floor. I want you to stack one leg to a tabletop and then bring the other leg up to a tabletop. Now lift head, neck, shoulders off the floor. The bottle's going to go underneath your thighs, round and round. So we're circling that bottle all the way underneath your thighs. Your legs are in a tabletop position. Now if this is too tough for you, all you are going to do is hold stillness. So keep going if you're here for the advancement. Modification, hands are under. You're just lifting head, neck, shoulders off the floor. Wherever you are going to keep going. You've got another 4 of these underneath your thighs. You've got 3. Woo. You've got 2. It's burning. And 1. Well done. Drop all the way down. Keep the legs in a tabletop position. Other way around your thighs. Tuck the chin to the chest. Lift head, neck, shoulders off, and then other way with that bottle. So you're going round underneath your thighs. Now the bottle, the weight, the tin of beans, whatever you've got in your hands right now, a rock, is adding weight to your abdominals, so it will be harder than if you had no weight at all. Again, modification, you've got that underhand grip. Let's go for 6 more of these, and then we're gonna hold stillness. 4 more, ooh, it's burning. 3, you've got it. 2, 1, now don't collapse down, grab the bottle, shoot it over the top of the knees. Chin to chest, lift yourself high. Remember, if you're in that modification, underhand grip of your thighs. Now you want to reach the bottle up, little lift. Get the head, neck, shoulders off the floor, eye line is forward. Your upper abs should be on fire right now. Give me 10, 9 pulses, 8, you've got it, 7, 6, we are done in 5, 4, 3, oh my gosh, 2, 1, well done. Drop the bottle down, hug the knees into the chest, quick rock side to side. And then from here, you're gonna rock yourself backwards, rock yourself all the way up and forwards. Take a breath. Move yourself backwards a little bit. Popping the feet back on towards the mat. Now you're gonna re-grab hold of this. Shoot it all the way forwards, press the lumbar spine down, down, down to the floor. So you're coming back in towards that high position. So a lot of my exercises are Pilates influenced, pressing that lumbar spine down. It's all about protecting your back. Now you're gonna roll your boat. You're gonna roll all the way to the left, lift back through center, all the way to the right, lift back through center. Now this is a great one for really thinking about working your obliques, getting you that hourglass figure. Back through the center. Now try to keep your knees still. I'm guilty for letting my knees go everywhere. Try to keep them still, hips still. You are focusing on making a C with your spine. You're focusing on rowing your boat. Now close that eyes as it starts to burn. Where are we rowing to? Maybe the Maldives, maybe Barbados, maybe anywhere that is sunnier than where you are right now. Roll all the way to the side, back through the center. Keep going, inhale. Keep going, exhale, back, row your boat. You've got another 7 more of these. And then you're gonna hold on one side. 6 more of these. 5 more. Through the center. You've got it, 4 more. Through the center again. 3, row your boat. You got 2, back through center. Last one, and you're gonna hold in the middle. Keep that bottle above your knees. Again, if you've got no bottle, just reach the hands forwards. Now your lumbar spine is gonna go 1 more inch down to the floor and hold. Now rotate your hip bones in towards your navel. So you're trying to touch your hip bones on your ribs. Absolutely impossible, but that's what you're trying to do to get a deeper burn. Now breathe in, breathe exhale. I know it's burning me too. Now you're gonna grab the hands around the bottle. You're gonna squeeze in, out, go in, press away with the bottle, hug it, reach it away, in, then reach, keep going. If you've got no bottle, the arms are just going in and out. Go in and reach, you've got it. 4, 3, 2. Last one, now reach that bottle all the way out in front of yourself. Can you get lower with the lumbar spine? Can you tuck your hips harder? How badly do you want those brand new abs? Do you want that brand new waistline? Close your eyes, take yourself somewhere nice, and then go ahead. Reach your arms 3 inches to the ceiling and hold. Inhale, exhale, give me 10 seconds here. 9, 8, 7, 6, coming up in 5, you've got it. 4, don't give in. 3, 2, 1, well done. Lift yourself up, bring the hands behind the back, take a quick high release. You want to press your chest up to the ceiling, stretch the abs out. You've got 1 more ab exercise, I know you can do it. So, who knew it was so hard to work out with a bottle? You're going to grab a hold of the bottle, we're going to come, feet in line with the hips. Again, you're going to press this lumbar spine down to the floor. Now hug the bottle tight. Option, modification, stay here with the feet on the floor. If you want it harder, you can get the balance, 1 leg lift, other leg lifts off the floor. Now you'll notice I'm not here. I have my lumbar spine down to the floor to protect my spine. You want no injuries here. You're going to grab the bottle, hug it into the chest. You're going to bring left elbow to the side, Russian twist, and back to the center. Other side, and through the center. If you're in the modification, your feet are just down and you're twisting. And know you hate me right now. Hate now. Love me later. And back to the center. Twist all the way around. Woo, through the center again. Rotated just the spine. Knees stay still. Hips stay still. Lumbar spine is down to the floor. Are you there or are you up here with me? Twist over. How much can you get those abs burning? 2 more, then we're going to hold. And then come through the center. You're going to hold on one side. Elbow to the floor. Now wring out the waistline. Imagine your waistline is a wet towel. It's a wet dishcloth. You're trying to wring out the water. 7, 6, you've got it. 5, 4, center in 3, 2, 1. Do not collapse down. Bring the feet to the floor. Inhale. Exhale. I'm right there shaking with you too. I'm hating myself right now too. You're going to bring one foot off. You're going to bring the other foot off. You're going to twist to the side. Twist. Little wrap. Round to the side. Wring out your waistline. 10, 9, center. In 7, 6, 5, center in 4. You've got it. 3, 2. Do not collapse down. We are not done. Now pop the water bottle in between your thighs. Sounds a little bit odd. Walk the feet together. Now squeeze the water bottle. Don't let it burst all over yourself though. Squeeze it nice and tight between your inner thighs. Underhand grip of your thighs. Press the lumbar spine down. Now stay right there. You are going to reach one hand away. You're going to reach the other hand away. Now lift the hand up and hold. Now squeeze the water bottle, but try not to let it pop. Reach those hands high. You should feel this in your abdominals. Give me 10, 9, 8, you've got it. 7, lift the hands higher. 6, tuck the tailbone under. Go 5, full lumbar spine lower. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Lifting yourself safely all the way up. You're going to come into a quick stretch to finish off your abdominal set. Sweep the feet round to the back. Hands come under the shoulders, knees come underneath your hips, cat and cow. Inhale, scoop the abdominals up and under. Exhale, press the chest down, lift the eyelid up. Take a couple more rounds of that. Now if you want another workout after this, maybe you want to tackle your thighs, maybe you want to work your inner thighs, maybe your arms, there is plenty of videos on my page that you can check out. And then back to the center, take a downward dog, tuck the toes under, press the heels down, lift the hips high, and hold your downward dog, drive the heels low, press the chest low. Walking your hands into your feet, take a little bend through the knees, slowly and safely roll yourself all the way up. And well done in your ab workout today. Drop me a comment down below, let me know how much you loved this workout, and also give me a massive thumbs up. I'm Gabby, see you again soon for another video. Bye!